So you should be expecting 5 big changes on iPhone 17 Pro. If you see our previous video, you will see where we discuss extensively what will happen to iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like. So among those 5 changes, the first change that you are going to see is the under display Face ID antenna bezel. So the news here is that the Face ID sensor and the front camera will be hidden under display, eliminating that dynamic island for a true all-screen design. They don't want to increase the phone size, so Apple decided to remove the dynamic island display. The second changes you are going to see in iPhone 17 Pro is 120Hz ProMotion for always on display. According to reports, the 120Hz LTPO OLED for smoother always on display functionality like the Android flagship, and maintain our battery efficiency and more responsive to screen lock interactions. So that is the second changes you are going to be seeing. Then for the third changes is that there will be now a Wi-Fi 7 and enhanced 5G model, the Qualcomm X75 model for faster speed, lower latency, and improved energy efficiency. So according to reports, they say the future-proof connectivity for AR, clouding, gaming, and AI-driven features is the reason why this was increased. Another thing that we also heard is in the camera department. They say the periscope zooming will now be 6x optical zoom with improved low light performance. And why this matters is because, and this is just to close the gap between the Samsung S25 that has 10x optical zoom. So Apple is trying to also close that gap. Then the final thing that you should be expecting from this iPhone 17 Pro is that Apple will design a custom GPU for AI. First in-house GPU. So the real-time photo editing and the Siri enhancement. So this is coming with iPhone 17 Pro. And why this? They said they are reducing their reliance on third-party chip, for better AI performance. But most of us know that this is about the trade war that is going on between US and other countries. That is my own opinion. So, and we also heard that they are going to be a lighter titanium design with new alloy frame, according to report. And we also heard that the action button 2.0, which is pressure, is likely sensitive like a mini Force Touch. We also heard that they are going to have iOS 19 AI features, and the expected date that is going to be released is around September 2025, according to rumors that we are getting. So that is all we have for you on today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you are watching from. See you in my next video. Peace out.